So we have built our web pages. Let's say that these are the two that we need for our website. And the obvious question is, so what am I supposed to do now? First of all, you need to find a way to navigate between documents. That means you need to find a way to go from one HTML document to the other and the other way around. So in order to do that, you'll need, well, it's obvious, a menu. So for example, on the top of each page, you need a menu with links going to the other document. So what we're going to do is do something really basic. So we'll start with the UL, Lee, and then Lee. We need two of them because we've got two pages for the time being. And so the first one is going to be, we're going to call it CTRL and Control and then Alt, because we've got two pages, this the Control, the CTRL, and the Alt. So so the Control, we're going to make it into a link, href equals okay, and then there you go. So when you click on the CTRL text, you're going to go to the CTRL.html. When you click on the Alt, you're going to Alt HTML. You can see here I've got website, so I've got the two documents here. So this is only the CTRL documents. I'm going to do this. When I click on it, it doesn't do anything. Actually, it reloads the same page because this is the CTRL. So we're going to the same documents. If I go to Alt, it goes to the other page. However, how am I supposed to go back to the Control CTRL HTML? Well, I need the same menu here. So I'm going to copy and then paste it on the top of the page of the, so just after the body tag. I'm going to save it and then I'm going here. So there you go. So I can go back to Control, then I go back to Alt, and then Control and Alt. So you can see here the title toggling. So there you go. So we'll see that the menu is correct. So say okay. The problem here is when you have a big website and you upload it, you update it quite often, it's not very easy to do so. For example, imagine that after we have Control and then Alt, and then we've got another 100 documents, and then you've got here a menu with 100 links, and then you decide to create another HTML document that we're going to call, for example, website escape. Going to do something like this, and then escape. Then I'm just going to do just copy it. So this is my new document. Okay, so given that I want a way to go to this document from the other documents, that is when I'm in Control HTML here, I need a way somewhere to click in order to click on, in order to go to the escape or esc.html document. So I will need to add another Lee. So I will go to the control and then I will add another list item. There you go. So I will do it. So I'm clicking here and there you go. I'm going to escape. However, I've got here, I go back to Alt. Let's see, it was like this before. Go back to Alt, and I don't have the third item here because I only changed the control document. That means that now that I have added, that I've wanted to add a third element in my menu, that means that I have to open 100 documents and change and add one item to the UL, to the list, which is, you can imagine that for any webmaster doing something like that would be a true nightmare. So you need to find other ways to do it much more efficiently. So in the next 2 tutorials I'm going to show you how to do this practically and in an easy way using frames and then using the SSI commands.